Hello, my name is Dan Oakes. I'm the creator of Cookin', and today I'm going to show you one of the coolest things that we've added to Cookin' in a long time. You ready for this? In order to show you the contrast between the old version and this new version, I have Kathy's phone on the left, which has the previous version of Cookin', and I've got my phone on the right, which has the new version of Cookin'. As you know, to access your cookbooks in your libraries, you simply tap My Recipes on the bottom navigation bar. And when I do that with the previous version of Cookin', as you can see, we see a list of cookbooks, and we see smart folders and categories and so forth. Check out the new version though. On the right hand side, when I tap My Recipes, whoa! What do we have here? Check out this new UI. We have a cooking elf who's been working on this for about 1.5 years now, and he did a great job. It's, as you can see, much more graphical. There's actually more than one way to view your content here. If you look in the top left corner, you'll see this toggle. And if you tap that, you can change the view from what we call bars to boxes. And so this is boxes here. And this here is bars. So you can choose how you prefer to view and access your content. And when I choose a cookbook on the old version, Oakes Family Recipes, this is the list of chapters that you see. When I tap on the cookbook on the right hand side, I'm going to choose Dan's Recipes here. Whoa, check out the chapters, much more graphical, much more modern. And again, you can customize how you want to view your chapter content with this toggle on the right hand side here. And when I select a chapter on the left, for example, breakfasts, I can see my recipes there. When I do that on the right, in the new version, I can see my recipes with 2 ways to view these recipes as well. If you want the images to be really big, then you can choose this option here. So you can totally customize the UI to suit your preferences. And in addition to this really cool new way to browse your recipe content and to view your cookbooks and chapters and recipes, we have this other cool navigation component on the top here, which we call pills, and you can slide left and right and check it out to see your smart folders. You just tap on smart folders on the top. Previously, you would tap smart folders here on the left and you would be able to access, but as you can see, the old way was much more text-based and the new way is much more graphical. To access your categories, previously you would tap categories here and you would see a list of all your categories, right? Now you just tap the categories pill on the top, and now you can view your categories in the boxes format or bars. Okay. And one of the new things that did not exist previously is this new Made by Me section. Check this out, Made by Me. And now I can see all the recipes that I've posted, that I've made. You know, when you're viewing a recipe and you tap I made this, then you can share that recipe with all the other Cookin' users. And now you have a way to see all the recipes that were made by you. And it shows the number of likes and the number of views each one got. You can tap this More Options menu in the top right corner to sort your made recipes differently, perhaps by the number of likes, for example. Whoa, this breakfast sausage casserole has 68 likes. Nice. 779 views. Oh, baby, now you can view your made recipes. And you can toggle that view as well so that you can see these recipe images in a much bigger format. We added a few other cool things, like there's this More Options menu that allows you to alphabetize your content. In this case, I'm organizing the cookbooks in my library alphabetically. And there's a permanent way to do that and a temporary way. If you just want to temporarily alphabetize them, you can choose this first option. If you want to permanently alphabetize them, then you can choose the second option. So I'm going to turn that off, and now my recipes are not in alphabetical order. And that's how I like it, because I prefer my cookbook at the very top of the list. The search bar now appears at the bottom of these screens, and you can see at the bottom how it hides when I'm scrolling so I can view the content. The top navigation bar hides as well as I'm scrolling, so you get this huge scrollable area. So when you want to access your content, you have the entire screen to view it. And the search feature has been optimized as well. So when I tap here and I can type in, I want to search my cookbook library for the word chicken, for example, this search feature has been optimized And the search results screen has been modernized as well. So that's fast. I mean, I just searched like 30,000 recipes for the word chicken, and it happened in a fraction of a second. So that's pretty amazing. And one of the coolest things about this new UI is the plus feature that is always hovering on the bottom right-hand side. Do you see that? Because previously, to add a new recipe to cooking, if you were on the Discover view, for example, and you wanted to add a new recipe, you had to go to My Recipes, tap on the cookbook, tap on the chapter, tap on the More Options menu, and then you could create a new recipe or scan a recipe, right? But now, with this new version of Cooking, you just tap My Recipes, and then at any point in time, you can tap this plus icon in the bottom right corner and add a new recipe, or scan a recipe, or create a cookbook, and so forth. If you're in the cookbook view and you tap plus, you can create a new chapter. But the new recipe and the scan recipe and the paste recipe option, those are always available to you. So they're super accessible. It's easy for you to add new recipes at any point in time from any view. Bada bing, bada boom, piece of cake. Oh, baby, how do you like this new view? Talk to me, Goose. Is this the best thing since sliced bread or what? Woohoo! Way to go, Cooking Elves. Yes, they did it again. They never cease to amaze. Oh, baby, I'm loving it.